From corkboard to vision board, we're about to manifest your dreams in a really cute way. Maybe you're looking to get a promotion, buy a house, actually read a book again. It's okay, I only listen to books too. Whatever you're hoping this year will bring, this visual representation will help bring it. Bring it 2021. My mom, a life and business coach who taught me how to make vision boards, is here to explain why.
Simply put, continually looking at your vision board will help remind you of the decisions you'll want to make to create the life that you want.
I'm seeing puppies, successful tile projects, and an endless supply of cheese. Oh. I'm back on? Sorry. Anyway, the way we did it growing up is we cut out images from a magazine that inspired us and we glued it on a poster board. Let's just say my Tiger Beat mags were missing their Jonathan Taylor Thomas pics. But today we're taking some inspiration from the blogger Top Notch to put a decorative and digital twist on the project. Here's what you'll need: a corkboard, wood glue, trim, tacks or pins, scissors, a printer, and my corkboard came with U-mounts. First step is to hop onto Pinterest, which somehow knows I want to manifest mac and cheese in my future. And by future, I mean tonight. As much as I'd love Pinterest to decide my future based upon my recent searches, there's a better way to do this. Start by creating a brand new board. Now let's bring back my mom to learn how to decide which images to pin to our board.
First, let's start with a few deep breaths, so we can allow our intuition to lead this process. Then, search for a word you're interested in, like home, in Pinterest, and see what pops up. Instead of searching for something specific, like farmhouse, you might be surprised what actually inspires you to create for the next year.
As you search the top categories of your life, like home, relationships, spirituality, just keep freely pinning the images that inspire you to that same board. Once you're done, you can always go back and delete any of those so-so pics. Because this isn't the year of so-so, this is the year of so much freaking yes. Now it's time to download your top images and upload them to a document. There's no right or wrong way to do this, but you will be cutting them out. So make sure they're the size you want and that there's enough white space around to cut them out. I'm printing about 24 images for a 23 by 35 inch board. Now normally I'd print on the cheapest paper possible. You know that kind of paper, the kind that you write on and then you see what you wrote on the surface underneath. Yeah, I still have Alex written on my kitchen table. But hey, at least there's always a spot with my name on it. But today I'm gonna flex with thick matte paper so it looks classier. Next step is to glue the trim along the perimeter of the board. If you have a little left over, you can make a hair ribbon. And that's what you call a 2-for-1 DIY video. You're welcome. Look at how pretty that is. Now while this is drying, we're gonna cut out our images. So you perfectionists are not gonna like this part because it's difficult to get a straight line. And this is where you have to say, good enough. Then you're gonna start trying out the different arrangements for your images.
Ooh,
Oh, it's pretty.
what do you think?
This feels like there's a gap here, doesn't it? What about that? Do you like that one?
Not a right or wrong. It's the way you feel when you see it.
All right, I'm feeling pretty confident with my arrangements. I'm gonna put a pin in it, literally. Time to hang this baby up where you can see it and get ready for the magic to happen.
Here's your mac and cheese.
Wow, this stuff works fast. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.